Okay, guys, this is Lebza, the no loss strategy inventor. Um, Today, I just want to sort of like teach you about how can you sustain yourself financially if you have more than 10,000 margin. Um, it's very painful, guys, to hear that somebody who has $10,000 has lost all of it, and that person has even gave up from forex. The person lost hope. They do not believe that they can make it in forex again. Some they even spread some propagandas or maybe spreading the false information about forex, that forex is not real. That is because they lost hope, simply because of their mistakes that they have committed. When you have more than 10,000 and above, you're guaranteed to always make profit in the market, provided you use the relevant strategies. Today, I just want to show you what you can simply do when you have this kind of capital. Even if you have less, but uh, you need to have the relevant account that is going to favor this strategy, because brokers offer different kind of accounts, and those accounts differ when it comes to the spread. They differ when it comes to the rules and regulations and stuff like that. So if you check right now, we have analyzed gold USD. Gold USD has been on a downtrend for so long, so anytime it can go back. So what you do in this case, you you use a strategy called no loss modification. No loss modification is a strategy that has been derived from no loss strategy itself. So that formula has been used to come up with this strategy that we just invented today. So this strategy will ensure that you always win in the market, and you sort of like protect yourself. I kept on hearing a lot of guys that are using the same strategy complaining about uh, the strategy not working during the consolidation. So the no loss modification, it's a solution to consolidating market. How do you trade using a no loss modification when the market is consolidating? Why? Because if it consolidates, it can activate many of your pending orders, and you can finally uh, run out of margin. So what you can simply do, you can simply use the no loss modification to avoid ranging market. So now let us take our plan into consideration. Let's start to trade in this kind of capital. Let me now tell you what to do. You're firstly going to do the analysis, and then after doing the analysis, you will check if whether the probability of that market to go to any direction, is it better. And when it's better, you need to make sure that um, you you take the direction of the better probability. So now, um, after doing the analysis, we have checked that this market is about to turn back, but unfortunately it is still on the downtrend. So meaning that we're expecting it to turn back. Let me just show you where do I think this market is going to turn, simply because of technical analysis. Simply because of the technical analysis. So this market can turn somewhere here if you want to analyze it technically. It can simply turn here and go back. So in this range, it can go back after touching this line. So I highlighted the range by a red color. So the market, simply when it touches that line, it can go back up. So now you are going to take the direction of the market according to the trend. Why? Because we are still expecting the market to turn when it reaches those levels, or maybe when it reaches that price. So in this case, it means that you can take more risk when it comes to you selling the market. So this is gold USD. So it means our analysis are telling us that we have to sell. Why? Because you need to go with the trend. So the trend is sell. So you're not limited to start anywhere. You can simply start by selling. So now let us start. You can use the scale of 0.01. By 0.01 you are going to buy. Then you come back to 0.02. You sell, same time. So what is going to happen here is that the market is going to choose one direction. So in this case, it is busy going up, but we have taken sell as part of our analysis, because we think that this market, even if it can go up, it will finally come down to sell. So in this case, you have sold your gold and you also have bought it. You sold your gold at 0.01 and at 0.02, and then you bought it at 0.01 lot size. So now what you can do again, you can continue. How do you continue? Excuse me. How do you continue? You calculate 10 pips from your 1636.09, because it is your buy trade and the lower lot size is on your buy. So what you are going to do, it means that this sell will be losing money. So you are going to protect your 0.02. How do you protect your 0.02? You protect it 10 pips away, and then you're simply going to calculate 10 pips from 1635.91. So you're going to say 1635. 1635. This is how you calculate. You go like 1635 plus 10. The reason why we say plus 10 is because we want to start creating orders on top of the lower lot size. Why? Because if the market goes down, the 0.02 sell trade is going to accumulate a lot of money than 0.01. Then you can be able to still gain in that kind of a situation. So, but here 1645, it is the new price. So how do you set this 1645?